Hello friends, today we have number system problem number 1. In this problem we find the dividend. This type of problems are asked in competitive exams like Bank PO, CAT, GMAT, MCA, Railway exam, UPSC exam, etc. So today I am going to explain how to solve this type of problems. Let's start. The divisor is 25 times of the quotient and 5 times the remainder. If the quotient is 16, the dividend is 4 options are given 6480, 6400, 480 or 400. For solving this, we know that there is a formula that dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. This is the formula. So here divisor is 25 times of the quotient and quotient is 16. So divisor is 25 into 16 and quotient is 16 plus remainder. What is remainder? Remainder is divider is 5 times of the remainder. It means what is our divisor? Divisor is 25 upon 16. This is 5 times of remainder. That means remainder is 25 into 16 upon 5. So cancel out and 5. So this is equal to 0, 15, 25. So we have 15, 40, 400 into 16 plus this is 80. So this is equal to 0064 to carry 4, 5, 6, 6400 plus 80. So this is equal to 6480. So our answer is 6480. Our dividend is 6480. So our correct answer is B. So B is the correct answer. I hope you enjoyed today's video. For more such type of questions, there are the links in the description where you can find this type of questions. Tomorrow I will be uploading next video. So please hit the bell icon to not miss the upcoming videos. Thank you.